Hello, I'm JojoP. Today I'm opening the Maximum Gold box. Maximum Gold, it has some gold cards in it. Like, I think it might have the Blue Eyes White Dragon gold card. I forgot which set it's in, and I think it might be in premium though. Wow, this thing is actually getting really hard to open, and usually it's really easy. Okay, I got it open. I just need, Lost World, Union Hanger, Alesto the Invoker, Transcotalker, Fantastical Dragon Phantasme, and then Mecha Phantom Beast Coltwing and Storming Mirror Force. Okay, Night Beam, White Princess, I think. Well, White Prince. Nurse Dragon Maid, Miracle Contact, Harpy's Pet, Phantom Soul Dragon, Reinforcement of the Army, which I think would be good in any, like a my Blue Eyes White Dragon deck, and then Circle of the Fire Kings. I think right now one of my favorites is Reinforcement of the Army. Okay, there can only be one. Constellar, Pleiades, I can't really say it. Barrier, State of the Storm ones. Machine Duplication, oh, that's good for me, cause, well, I use a machine deck. Okay, Cosmo Town, Mecha Phantom Beast, Blue Imp, yeah, I don't know how to say that either. And Hey Trunade. Okay. Barrier here, State of the Inferno. Trade in. Oh, I seen that card in the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Lose one turn. Barrier, State of the Drought. Dark Rebellion XYZ Dragon, and Zodiac Shankanade, and then Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo. I think I can also use. I think I can use this card in the the Dragon type deck. That's it for me opening up the Maximum Gold box.